We believe that worker health and safety is a fundamental human right, and that's why health and safety professionals tirelessly work to promote and advance the occupational and environmental health and safety. Our mission is to educate and eradicate industrial accidents, injuries, and exposure to hazardous substances. Let's make the risky workplace into a safe place to work. This is our first occupational safety and health video podcast. For more safety videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. This video podcast covers the components and functions of the ear. The organ of hearing is divided into three parts: the external, the middle, and the inner ear.
Function of the outer ear in the hearing process is relatively simple. The external portion of the ear collects sound waves from the air and funnels them into the ear canal, where they are transported to the eardrum. The collected sound waves cause the eardrum to move back and forth in a vibrating mechanical motion that is passed on to the bones of the middle ear.
The middle ear is the space or cavity, about 1 to 2 milliliters in volume, between the eardrum and the bony wall of the inner ear. The middle ear is lined with mucous membrane, essentially the same as that lining the mouth. The ossicles, which are the smallest bones in the body, are located within the middle ear cavity. The ossicles connect the eardrum to an opening in the wall of the inner ear called the oval window.
The eustachian tube serves to equalize pressure on either side of the tympanic membrane. An increase in pressure in the middle ear cavity, relative to atmospheric pressure, is usually compensated for passively by way of the eustachian tube. A decrease in pressure usually requires active ventilation by using muscles to open and close the eustachian tube by yawning and swallowing.
The ossicles, which together are called the ossicular chain, are the malleus, incus, and stapes. These bones amplify or increase the sound vibrations and send them to the cochlea. The cochlea is shaped like a snail. It is filled with fluid and contains thousands of feathery hair cells tuned to vibrate to different sound frequencies. The sound frequencies create waves on the fluid and turn to move the hair bundles. The hair bundles turn the movement into electrical signals. As the hair bundles moved, iron rush into the top cells, causing the release of chemicals at the bottom of the hair cells. The chemical binds to the auditory nerve cells and creates an electrical signal which travels along the auditory nerve to the brain. Different hair cells respond to different frequencies of sound. The hair cells at the base of the cochlea detect higher pitch sounds such as a flute. The hair cells at the top of the cochlea detect progressively lower pitch sounds such as trumpet, and at the very top or apex of the spiral the hair cell detects the lowest pitch of sound such as tuba. The auditory nerve carries the electrical signals to the brain, which interprets the messages as sounds that we recognize and understand.